Here I have KARBONN A21 and let me show you how to enter here the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So keep holding both keys, power key and volume down, and release all keys as soon as download mode pops up. So this is the following download mode. You can use it right here, or if you would like to quit this download mode, let's just simply open the back cover and remove the battery. It's the simplest way to restart your device and to boot into a normal mode. So let me do it. Let's use this cavity to open the battery, put it back, close the protection, and simply press power key to switch on the device. The KARBONN A21 is turning on. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.